Won't take but a second. I was wondering, between us girls, you've got your ear to the street. What are people saying about me?
Oh, that you're doing great, just great.
Oh, I appreciate that, but what do you think? I mean, you've always been a straight shooter with me. What is going on with you? Are you sick from that stupid trip to Africa?
No, I'm fine.
You're hiding something.
The guys are in the multipurpose room trying to get Rod to drink again.
God